Welcome guys. So in this video, what I have built is what we have built is till now we have built it this part. Let me just highlight that thing. See, we have built it this part. Okay. In this video, I have already built. So now for this video we are going to build this part. So it is a very pretty easy part to build. So I have already built it now. So I have to just show you real quick. So what I'll do is I'll just flutter run minus the Chrome because we are making it in a Chrome browser like for the web thing. So so let's wait a while and it is already created. Okay, in the last video, what we are getting an problem is that we are not able to find the icon right and left, as you can see. But those items are available, but it is not seen because they are invisible, as we can say. So I have already get that icon, like the SVJ part of that icon. So I think that icon which I get is Flutter chevron bg.svj. What I'll do is to show you that this is the what we are seeing in the website. So I'll just say svj, not okay, sorry for that, svj d dot svj to png and see. Okay, I'll just copy it, control C and paste it here. See, it is not visible, but it is there. It is there, as you can see. It is here, but it is not visible to us. Okay, so this is it. What I have built. Let me just show you how did I build. So this is the image back color. I think the image they have changed some UI. See, it is pretty dark, but it is here it is also pretty dark. So what I'll do is I'll just change the color of that. So I'll just copy this color code and our home template. I'll have a home row, and the home row at the last of it we have created a button, right, as a button. And it is, I think so, background color should be like uh, assets dot not this. I think the colors we need, right, app color. So app color dot image back color, and let's restart it. And I think, yep, I think this is not the color what we want. So what I'll do is I'll just copy and uh, paste it in our in image color picker. So for that we can easily get that thing 4048. Okay, I'll just copy this color and I'll okay. So the image section, what I'll do is app color. At the app color I say static const button color is equals to color this and 0xff and this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just save a button color and let's restart it and see what we did is we have already got get the thing. Okay, so what I have created here is like we have created this thing like a flutter 13 point this, and when we scroll the announcement is also scroll level thing. So let's take a deep look here. Image container. The image container, I have a two hovering effect for the announcement and the for what's new thing. Here we have a container. I give a container. The width is double dot infinity. I want the width to be infinity. It will take whatever width it is available. So at the height it is 100 because I have to, like, it is, I cannot give you more height. So yeah, more height. So this is why I give 100. Is this is the only part. Color is image back color. Okay, main axis alignment of space between, what space between will date it. It will automatically create a even space between widgets. So image space between simply means one left, one right, and center. Okay, this is how we achieve this thing. rotated box quarter to simply means that the image which we are getting, let's say I comment this thing, and let me comment it out, and wait a second. Okay, and this thing, and I think this is it. Yep. Let me comment it out and restart it. See, this is what we are getting from an image, from the SVG, but we want it in a rotated part. So for this, what I did is I have a rotated box which will rotate its child to 180 degree. Quarter turns simply means number of clockwise quarter turns the child should be rotated. So quarter turns 2, we want it rotated 180 degree. So see, it is here. Padding which I have given is the vertical, like we want the padding to be symmetrical from bottom and top. I don't want to give top and bottom separately because we can give it a vertical by the help of vertical symmetric. Okay, so this is what we have given. Child is the column which means we have given two different text here. So text is Flutter dimensions and colors dot white, and font size is the responsive one. Size box, why I have given the size box, because I have to get the spacing, little bit spacing. I can give padding, but it is not showing an accurate result. So this is the only reason why I use size box over the padding thing. And rich text, what is the help of rich text is that check out the announcement and the what's new. Those two text box is of different style, as you can see. Check out and the announcement text is of different style, right? So to achieve this thing, we have to use text span. The text span, it needed a children's, okay, multiple children's. We can give multiple children's to it. First of all, it needed rich text. Rich texts have multiple children's. Okay, a text span which we have given here. On exit and on enter, simply what is it? When we are on entering it, hovering effect should here, and we are exiting it, hovering effect should be false. So this is how we achieve this thing. So yep, this is, and the last part is the SVG asset and the image we have get. So this is also responsive the height and width. Okay, so this is it for this video. It is, I just wanted to show you that we have created this part, and I'll just get push it. Wait a second, let me just get and push it so that you can also get the source code, and it will automatically be helpful to you. I'll just push that out and you can get the benefit from it. Okay. Okay, so where were we? So actually the this is completed. Our the image part where we have put in this image right and left, and the announcement working. In the next upcoming videos, what we are going to build is we are going to build this list of those items. Okay, in the next upcoming videos we are going to build this part. Okay, this part. And before the next video, okay, wait a second, I think our online bike application, which it will come in the next video, that we will start building this application. The architecture is already done. If I have uploaded that video, so if you are you can see on my YouTube channel. So yes, see ya. Have a good day. Keep exploring, keep learning, and if you have any query related to anything in the code except for this code, you can message me on the LinkedIn. I am happy to have a multiple connections. I am very happy. So this is my LinkedIn profile. So if you have any problem or any query related to any of our upcoming videos, or till video till now, or any part in Flutter, so you can message me on the LinkedIn. I'll definitely reply you back as soon as possible, because I'm very active on the LinkedIn. So yeah, if you have any query, you can message me, and uh, I'll try to solve your query as soon as possible. And I'll so yeah, this is it for the video. If you have any, so yeah, See ya, have a good day and take care, keep learning, keep exploring, and bye bye.